My great-grandfather started Western Steel Incorporated in 1904 as the largest scrapyard in Colorado. My dad eventually took over, and then in 1994, he recognized that they could sell usable scrap, whether it was I-beams or pipe or tubing, and he began doing that. We're now operating out of a 50,000 square foot warehouse. We try to bill ourselves as a one-stop shop service center. Customers can have multiple different types of material in their orders, and they don't have to go to different suppliers to do that. We can do that for them. And while we're at it, we can also process that. It's been very important for us to stay ahead of the game, stay ahead of our competition, and offer the best value-added services we can to our customers. We've always been an avid supporter of plasma capabilities. We were getting to the point where there just wasn't enough hours in the day for us to be able to cut, and there wasn't enough space in the building to continue to install more machines. When we began looking for laser solutions, we zeroed in with Mazak right away. In September of 2023, we purchased the Mazak Optiplex 3015 Neo 15 kilowatt machine. We were able to replace a water jet that we had previously used for its accuracy, and then we also replaced another plasma that was cutting thicker plate, and we're able to cut parts much quicker with that as well. We were really pleasantly surprised. We were able to greatly increase our processing times. The quality of the cuts were absolutely amazing to us right from the get-go. Our operators were able to get perfect cuts within their first few days. The Mazak Neo has increased our efficiency tenfold. We're used to having to run plasma cut parts through finishing equipment to remove the slag on the bottom of the parts. We don't have to do that. It has eliminated an entire process for us that we can just go from point A to point C and just skip point B. Prior to us putting the machine in, our lead times were approaching several weeks. With the addition of the Neo, not only were we able to replace 2 machines with it, with one, we were also able to bring our lead times back to the 3 to 5 days that we like to see for our customers. We had one specific program that we ran somewhere in the range of 6 hours, and now we're able to run it in under 20 minutes. We have one program that we continuously run for a customer. We would have to drill the holes and then plasma cut the parts after that. The whole program, start to finish, would typically take about 2.5 hours, and that was before part finishing afterwards. Now we're able to do that same program in under 30 minutes without part finishing. Another program that we regularly run creates parts out of a 1/4 inch A36 plate. They're roughly 2 inches by 3 inches with a hole that was previously drilled into it. The whole program would take about 4 hours on a 5 by 10 plate of 1/4 inch. Now we do that same program in about 25 minutes. The efficiency has greatly exceeded our expectations. The quality of the cuts has greatly exceeded our expectations. And the support that we've gotten with Mazak, with the machine, has been amazing. The orange support, the ability to order parts, everything that we have needed has been right there at our fingertips. As we look at our business today and we're looking towards the future of the company, we have plans to add automation to our current Mazak Neo, and we have just recently purchased a Mazak Neo FG400 tube laser. Our business relationship with Mazak has been nothing but extraordinary. It is something that I will stand behind. We try to treat our customers like family, and they've treated us like family as well. It really has become a good partnership.